The series of adventures you're about to watch are based on me and Sasha's life. We hope that you will enjoy them and learn along the way. Don't forget to have fun too. Wow, this is it, our new school. Fantastic, sis. New school, new towns, new friends, sis. Indeed. Who knows what we're going to discover? You're right. Welcome, everyone. Take a moment to greet your new classmates. In this class, we're going to be learning about personality traits. First is accessible. Anyone know the answer? I do. Yes, Sally? It means a person who is open-minded and easy to try to talk to. Well done, Sally. Next, we have abrasive. Can someone please tell me what this means? Gray.
Unsocial personality bordering aggression, unauthoritarian approaches, and insensitivity. People with this personality usually try to belittle or insult.
Great answer. We must be very careful when we see this personality trait in others. It's very destructive. Though the choice is theirs, we can do our part to spread kindness. They are lacking your kindness.
Okay, class, settle down. A new year, a new class of friends. Say hi to each other. In this class, we're going to be learning about good manners and etiquette.
What's up, etiquette?
It's a code of conduct, polite ways to treat your brothers, sisters, friends, and strangers. First word we're looking at today is decorum. Can I get an example of this?
Brrr. I see you don't have any pencil. I can give you some of mine.
These look nice, thank you.
Very good. You got it. Decorum is polite and respectful behavior.
Next, we have protocol. You can answer by example or definition.
Protocol is a set of rules to help us know how to behave in formal situations.
Fantastic. Well, I'll see you all here tomorrow.
How about we go to Kitty's kitchen? Good idea. Let's go.
Welcome to Kitty's Kitchen. What would you like to order?
Let's see now. I'd like the salmon on a stick, some salty sardines, and a glass of fresh water, please.
And for you?
I'd like a handful of herring, perch, pate, and water as well.
Excellent choice. We'll have your order ready soon. Your meal is here.
Thank you so much. Here's a tip for you.
Thank you very much. Let me know if you need anything.
That was delicious. So good. How about we go back to the school and help with the back to school event? That sounds like a great idea. Bye. Thanks for coming. Enjoy the school supplies. Quick, Sasha. I thought I saw something. Sasha, I heard something. You know what to do. need to see who that is. Come on. Stop right there. Yeah. Why should I? Do you know who I am? No, we don't. You surprise me. I am the cat napper. Why do you call that? One moment. Oh, that's why she's called the cat napper. Nap's over. Maybe a song will help you understand. I'm the cat napper. Cat napper. Up on the roof in the morning sun. I'm like a shadow when the day is done. But don't be fooled by the twirl of my tail. I'm always looking down another trail. I like to nap in your laundry heap. But if you blink, I'm no longer asleep. Your socks are gone, I'm out of sight. I'm probably prowling through the night. I take a snooze, then a hat. Got nothing to lose, and that's a fact. A silver spoon, a golden ring. I keep on looking for anything. I'm slowly creeping on silent feet. I've got a stash you would want to see. Toys and trinkets, rings and pens. There is plenty more around the bend. You may find me on a pile of loot, wearing exquisite things to boot. So lock your door and hold on tight. I could be a prowling near you tonight. Now then, if you want these back, you're going to have to catch me first. Let's get her. You said it, sis. Where did she go? Achoo! Anyone there? No, nobody's home. Let me see. Where did that cat go? I think we should check around the desk. Knock, knock. Who's there? Cat? Cat who? Some cat's in trouble. I think it's you. Oh, she left the bag here. Not to worry, sis. We will return the bag and give the cat napper a big surprise. This is heavier than I thought. These don't smell like school supplies. This is not school supplies. This is a bag of pennies. Oh, those sisters will pay for this. Let's go home, sis. Sounds like a good idea to me. I hope you've been doing well, kiddies. Work for me was good. It gives you a great feeling to help others. You girls understand me better than I think sometimes. Both so smart. You must be taking smart classes. Hey sis, thanks for having my back out there. My pleasure, Sasha. We make a great team. Sally, I feel like we haven't seen the last of that cat. No, me either. Who knows how many bad guys are out there? How many problems? I just know that we're going to do our best to make a difference in the lives of others. School was good, huh? Yeah, I look forward to learn more. Me too, sis. Me too. Hey, you. Yes, you. Thank you for joining us on our adventure. To recap, today we learned about accessible and abrasive in my class. And we learned about decorum and protocol in mine. We also taught that catnapper lesson, didn't we, Sasha? That's right, Sally. Remember, there are consequences for our actions. And you don't have to be a superhero, but to be super helpful. Until next time, keep learning, have wholesome fun, and be safe. Today we would like to thank Daniel Molina Yepes, Camilo Arturo Duarte, Edwin Ivanovich Mendez, the people who contributed photos and videos from Unsplash, Pixabay, and Pexels, the people who contributed music to the YouTube audio library, you, the viewers, and Rachel for all the hard work she does. She spends many days and nights helping us make this show. What? I didn't know that.